In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log out of Suno AI. Whether you're switching accounts using a shared device or just tightening up your security, signing out only takes a moment and helps keep your projects and settings private. Start by opening your browser and heading to suno.com. If you're already signed in, you'll land on the main Suno interface where you can generate or manage your music. If you aren't signed in, you'll see a prompt to log in, which means you're effectively already logged out and there's nothing else you need to do right now. Assuming you are signed in, let's continue. Look toward the top corner of the page for your profile. On desktop, this is usually in the upper right and appears as a small circular avatar or a letter representing your account. You might also see your username when you hover over it. On a mobile browser, it can appear in the same spot or be tucked inside a menu icon, so tap the menu if you don't see it immediately. Click or tap your profile to open a small drop-down menu with quick account options. In that menu, choose Sign Out. The site will immediately end your current Suno session. In most cases, you'll be taken to the home page or a screen inviting you to log in again. Seeing that login screen is your confirmation that the sign out worked. A few quick tips can help you verify and stay secure. If you had multiple Suno tabs open, give each one a quick refresh. They should all now show the login prompt instead of your account. If you used a third-party method to sign in, such as a single sign-on provider, remember that logging out of Suno only ends your session on Suno. It doesn't sign you out of that provider across the web. And if the sign out option doesn't appear right away, try enlarging your browser window or refreshing the page to reload the menu and reveal all options. If you're on a shared or public device, make sure the logout screen is clearly visible before you step away. Simply closing the browser might not end a session if the site is set to keep you signed in by default. A quick intentional sign out is the best way to prevent anyone else from accessing your creations, billing details, or account settings. And that's it. You went to suno.com, opened your profile menu, and selected sign out.